Forgot to include autofocus tests for the 7Artisans 50mm f1.8 lens overview video. Thought I might as well include those in its own video just so that you can check it out if you're interested. In this case, I'm doing tap to focus with my photography scene just to get an idea of how each one works. So tapping on the center and then tapping on the tree. A lot of the variance there is just me tapping on the screen and not getting it to work sometimes. Keep that in mind. I also did autofocus tests with me as the subject, moving around and just seeing if the lenses would do their thing. In that case, it was in program mode. The kit lens will obviously be at f6.3 or smaller apertures throughout all of these tests. And I also had a few clips from outdoors at the Japanese styled garden with the 7Artisans 50mm lens. Thought I might as well include those while I'm at it. That's about it. Scott Photography Bonsai. Thanks.